Episode 18 of Sweetology decorating series, how to create succulent cupcakes. You'll begin with a large piece of saran wrap and pipe one color and then add big dollops of your second color onto the saran wrap. You'll fold the saran wrap over to create a tube with your buttercream to slide into your piping bag with the correct tip. Once you create that tube-like shape, you'll cut one end of it to slide into your prepared piping bag. To create the dirt-like consistency for the bottom of the cupcake, we used Oreo crumbles, brown sugar, and sprinkles. Start by piping a dollop in the center of your cupcake to create the bud. Use a curved petal tip like tip 126 or 127 to create petals that closely hug the bud. Use the wider side up to create a succulent look. The technique is similar to creating an arch from left to right. You'll continue piping arcs that become larger as the rose increases in size. The petals should overlap a bit, continuing to build out the succulents with more overlapping petals.